Hi, I'm Arun. I'm from USA, and this is to a small note or just a message to Aalok ji, uh, who whom I reached out a couple of many months ago, looking at the internet with who would be a good astrologer or a numerologist to help me for multiple questions of mine which I have been having. So I connected with Aalok ji, and he was able to quickly run through my chart based on my name, my date of birth, and he read my numerology and astrology, and he was able to provide good assistance in terms of simple remedies which are not complex, no too much of money, like many others have had bad experience before. But Alok ji was excellent. He helped me out in many ways, and I saw multiple positive results for many of the issues I had. And this is not only for all the sad issues or troubles that I have been having. I have had multiple happy moments as well. I wanted to know if those moments are going to continue in my life, so he was able to provide some quick updates, quick remedies, simple remedies, and most of the remedies were very much within my reach of doing. I was able to do it, and it was extremely helpful, and I recommend anybody to blindly go ahead and reach out to Alok ji for any help and support that's required in terms of a name change or any astrological questions or anything within for numerology. So thank you, Alok ji, for all the support and the continued support for me. Thank you.